Welcome back. You are now looking at Restream.io, and in particular, you're looking at all of the channels that you can use in order to broadcast your content live to different platforms. So basically, what you can do is you can generate your content in one place and simultaneously broadcast it to multiple places using the platforms available inside of Restream. So for example, if you wanted to broadcast to Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter all at the same time, as well as other platforms, you can use Restream.io in order to do it. If you wanted to add on TikTok and Instagram, you could do it. So basically, what you would do is you would take your platform like Zoom or OBS, and you would use the same pieces of information that you have seen in this course. You would need an RMTP URL, which Restream gives you. You would need a stream key, which Restream gives you. And you would then set up each destination in order to receive your broadcast when you are sending it out. So by configuring your custom live streaming service inside of Zoom or any other broadcast system, you can connect to Restream and do your workshop in multiple locations across all of your social media channels. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.